Hello class, this is Julie Cooper Smith, and this is how I started my journey into wildlife management. My journey into wildlife management started at the very young age of 4. During a visit to Captiva Island, Florida, while walking along boat docks, I noticed an animal poking its head out of the water. I turned to get my dad's attention to show him what I had seen, but when I turned back, the animal was gone. However, after scanning the water, I realized that the manatee, as I had come to learn later, swam right up to the dock next to where I was standing, hence the photo of the manatee on the first slide. Flash forward to 2017, and I had the incredible opportunity to swim with the manatees in Crystal River, Florida, which is the picture that you see on this slide. Growing up, when I learned that these beautiful, gentle creatures were endangered, my first question was, why? And then, what can I do to help? These questions are what led me into a career in conservation education. I believe by understanding the life histories of all organisms, we can better understand how to manage and conserve them. I also believe that more people can be reached through conservation education, and the purpose is to encourage more conservation behavior and awareness among the public. Aldo Leopold's land pyramid perfectly represents how interdependent all species are on not only each other, but on the land. When looking at the pyramid, you can see the largest and possibly most important portion of it is the land, including trees, shrubs, soils, and grasses. It is important to protect the land because it is not an infinite resource and impacts all life forms, including ourselves. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I look forward to hearing from all of you.